Student Self-Service, a how-to guide. From the HCTC homepage, click on Student Self-Service at the top of the page. Log in with your KCTCS user ID and password. The Student Center is your portal to many useful areas of PeopleSoft and will appear as your homepage when you log in. The Academics section can be used to view your class schedule, add and drop classes, view grades, and run a degree progress report. The Search for Classes button will allow you to look up classes and browse the course catalog. The Holds area will display any holds you have on your record. Holds may keep you from registering in classes or have other penalties and should be addressed in a timely manner. If you've been assigned an advisor, the Advisor area will display the advisor's name and contact information. The To-Do list will display tasks that you need to complete, such as turning in transcripts or taking an assessment exam. The Finances area provides links to view detailed account information, including financial aid data. The KCTCS area contains links to PeopleSoft tutorials, the KCTCS course catalog, and student email information. The KCTCS Student Financials area contains a direct link to complete the Federal Financial Aid application. Scroll down the page. The KCTCS Student Records area contains a link to the National Student Clearinghouse, where you can request an enrollment verification report, another link to Blackboard, and another to the online bookstore. The Personal Information area provides address, phone, and email information, along with other useful links. The Admissions area provides the Apply for Admissions link, which will take you to the KCTCS web-based application. Please review other tutorials for information on student-specific areas of the Student Center. You may search for and enroll in classes using the Student Center. Select the required tab. You may search for and enroll in classes using the Student Center. Select the required tab. Select the term you wish to enroll in. Click the Continue button. Enter the class number. Click the Enter button. Click the Next button. Click the Proceed to Step 2 of 3 button. Click the Finish Enrolling button. If there is an X in the status field, there is some problem preventing you from enrolling in the class. Review the message area to identify the problem. If there is a check mark in the status field, you are now enrolled in the class. Select the Class Search Radio button. Click the Search button. You may search for a class by using any of the fields on this page as necessary. To narrow down your results to a single KCTCS college, click the KCTCS College Lookup icon. This will list campuses tied to the chosen KCTCS college and will greatly limit your search results. Use this field only if you want a class at a specific campus. The Campus Lookup will allow you to search for classes offered at a specific campus of the selected college. Click the Campus drop-down box. An instruction mode of Online with Self-Select Start Date indicates the class is part of the Learn on Demand program through KCTCS Online. When searching for online classes, the instruction mode of Online and Open to All indicates the class is open to all KCTCS students and they may be offered through KYVU. An instruction mode of Online with Possible Campus Visits indicates that the class is an online class offered to local students of a particular KCTCS college. The mode of instruction will allow you to search for classes based upon the delivery method. Click the Select button for the preferred subject. If unknown, click the Select Subject button. Enter a course subject. You may leave this blank to get a list of all courses under the selected course subject. Click the Search button. Click the section link to view detailed information about the class, including where the class is located. Review the search results. You are now at View and Print Schedule. From the home screen of the Student Center, you can view and/or print your schedule. Select the KCTCS schedule link. The KCTCS schedule displays the class schedule for the current term along with location, instructor, and related information. You may print this schedule by using the File menu. Select the File menu. Select Print. Change any preferences on the print page as necessary and click the Print button. It may be necessary to change the page orientation to landscape. Select the Enroll link. You may drop classes in the Student Center. You may drop a course or courses using student self-service without instructor consent before midterms. Afterwards, you must have permission from your instructor and must visit your assigned advisor to have your courses dropped. Dropping classes, select the Drop tab. Select the term the class you wish to drop is in. Click the Continue button. Select the checkbox for any classes you wish to drop. Click the Drop Selected Classes button. Click the Finish Dropping button. Review the system message to make sure you successfully dropped the class. The Academics area contains links to Search, Plan, Enroll, and My Academic Areas. To run the report, select the My Academics link. The Academic Requirements report allows you to view all of the requirements for completing the credential currently attached to your record and identify which of those requirements have or have not been satisfied. Select the View My Advisement Report link. The Academic Requirement page will display all the requirements for the credential that is attached to your record and whether or not a requirement has been satisfied. Scroll down the page. A summary of the requirements will display at the top of the report and will include the total units or credits hours required, taken, and those still needed to fulfill the degree requirements. Scroll down the page. The requirements that have been satisfied will display first in the report. Scroll through the report to locate any requirements that have not yet been satisfied. Not satisfied requirements will list courses that may partially or fully fulfill the requirement. You may view more data about a course by selecting the Description link. Review the detailed information for the course, such as the prerequisites and other related information. The View Class Sections button will allow you to review currently scheduled class sections of this course. You may add the course to your academic planner by clicking the Add to Planner button. Review other academic requirements as necessary. Scroll down the page. Select the Return to My Academic Requirements link. The My Planner area will allow you to view the degree requirements of the credential that is currently attached to your record and identify those requirements that you have not yet satisfied. In addition, you may select courses that will satisfy the requirements and begin to plan enrollment across several terms. The My Planner page will allow you to plan your enrollment based upon courses that you select from the course catalog or courses that are identified in your degree requirements. The Browse Course Catalog button will allow you to view and add specific courses to your planner. The Plan My Requirements button will allow you to view and select only courses necessary for your degree. After you have added all of the courses you want to your planner, select either the Plan link at the bottom of the page or the Plan tab at the top of the page. The unassigned courses area will display courses assigned to your planner but not attached to a term. Check the Select checkbox for any courses you wish to apply to a term. Any courses selected within your planner can be moved into a term so that you are able to plan out your enrollment by the term. My Planner. Select the preferred term. Click the Move button. A message will appear displaying the status of the move. Scroll down the page. The courses now appear under the term selected. From here, you may view, select, and enroll in scheduled courses within the term. Courses assigned to a term may be moved back to the unassigned courses area or to a different term. Financial aid. A variety of financial aid functionality is available in the Student Center. The View Financial Aid link will allow you to view financial aid for a selected year. The Accept or Decline Awards link will allow you to accept or decline student loans. The Financial Aid Bookstore Release link will allow you to review and complete the financial aid release form and charge books at the bookstore. Select the Accept Decline Awards link. The Accept All button will check all available items as accepted. The Decline All button will check Decline for all available items. You may accept or decline individual loans by checking the appropriate checkbox. Clear All will remove the check marks. Update Totals will update the totals based on the items accepted or declined. Once an item has been accepted, the checkbox will gray out and you will not be able to decline it. For assistance, contact your financial aid office. When finished viewing, select Student Center from the Go to Top drop-down box. Click the Submit button to apply your selections. This will open up a new window. Select the Financial Aid Bookstore Release link. Read all sections of this page fully. Once you have read and understood all the items on the page, check each checkbox. Click the Save button. Click the X in the upper right corner to close the window and return to the Student Center. There are 3 ways to make a payment in the Student Center. A credit card payment, which will be billed to a credit card. An electronic check, which is a payment from a checking or savings account. And a payment plan, which will allow you to make a partial initial payment and create a payment schedule for the remaining balance. Select the Make a Payment link. If you do not want to pay the entire balance, you may select a charge to pay and enter the amount of the payment for each charge and the payment amount field. The Zero Out Amounts button will clear any payment amounts entered. To pay the entire balance, press the Pay Charges button. When entering individual amounts, use the Calculate Grand Total to add up the total amount of the payment. Select your payment method and click Next. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete your payment. This page will show if the payment was accepted or declined. If accepted, no further action is necessary. If the payment was declined, review the error message and take the necessary steps to resolve the problem.